because more skills will enhance your profile. And I am sure a day is not far away when each one of you, after few years, will achieve so much success that Dr. Chordia will be forced to invite you and sit on dais. And you will not be receiving degrees, but you will be giving degrees. And that day is not very far away. Globalization has already occurred, and I hope some of you start earning dollars very soon. And looking at your profile and your background and the reason why you chose dual specialization, I have a hope that many of you will become entrepreneurs and you will be job givers and not job seekers. And I am sure you will provide jobs, and unique opportunities are awaiting, because और अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. And this is not a political statement, but various indicators, global indicators, falling oil price, various things are happening good for our country. If some of you want to join politics also, it's a profession. So be a good politician. And there is no harm in becoming a politician at your young age also. But look at new opportunities. And I'm sure my last word is, don't compartmentalize life. You know, you may have got some specialization and you may have got a job. But after a few years, you will realize that you are doing something else in life. It happened with me several times. What I got educated and what I am doing in life are totally different things. If such things happen to you, that doesn't mean that education was bad. That doesn't mean this degree was invalid. That means you have found out and you have advanced different opportunities. And this education and degree which you are getting today will serve as a foundation. But please understand, degrees in 21st century are like medicines. They have expiry date. And this degree too will expire, because knowledge will become more advanced, things will become more advanced, and you will be required to revalidate them like a passport. And I am sure you will revalidate them with your skills, and each one of you will become more successful, and whatever dreams you had, whatever goals you had planned before joining the campus, I pray God all come true. Thank you very much. I hope some of you are not married. How many of you are unmarried? All of you. So I also pray to God that you get a stable life partner.
Thank you so much, sir. That was truly motivational and inspirational. May I now request Professor Sethia to do the honors for the convocation ceremony.
Thank you, Shahnaz ma'am. Just now Dr. Shikarpur has told, निगाहें यदि आपकी आसमां पर होगी तो आपको अपना खुद का रास्ता बनाना होगा. सर, निगाहें आसमां पर होगी नहीं, ऑलरेडी आसमां पर है, क्योंकि द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ सूर्योदय दे हैव अटर्ड, हम चले सूरज की ओर. Dr. Jain sir, you also advised us regarding updation. Sir, again, thank you very much for the advice. But let me tell you, under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Chordia, we are doing upgrading, galvanizing the entire course very often. This is a regular, ongoing, continuous process. For example, for the marketing specialization student, we have already introduced digital marketing as a subject, which in the region of Pune, we are the first we are the first institute to introduce it. It is so far introduced only by IIM Ranchi. It is great pleasure to announce first the medal winners of this 2012-14 batch. First, I will declare the gold and silver medals from finance and marketing. Kumari Priyanka, gold medalist, finance and marketing specialization. May I request Dr. Chordia, Jain sir, and Dr. Shikarpur.
करो मत, मैं सिर्फ देता हूँ क्या अभी डालिए बस।
पल्लवी पल्लवी
May I request Shilpi, the silver medalist of HR Plus IT, to come forward for receiving the honor. Now the specialization of marketing plus IT, information technology, Aditya Isar, gold medalist. May I request Swapnil to receive his silver medal in marketing plus information technology. Now the degree certificates will be conferred. Mr. Manoj Kumar, Finance Plus Marketing. Prince Kaushal Vyas. Prince Kaushal Vyas. Khushbu Kumari. Neha should be ready by time. Neha Niharika.
thank you.
Next person to be ready is Mohammad Nadim Hussain.
मागे ना
Mr. Nikhil Gupta. Next person to come to receive his degrees, Nikhil Gupta.
निखिल निखिल निखिल
Prajakta Dhoka. Prajakta. On the record, she's Prajakta Dhoka.
You got married recently? Got your husband also?
Ashish Kumar. Ashish. So CA Ashish, we are really honored to have you here today. Prithvi Chakrabarti. Prithvi. Amit Kumar Namdar.
Come on.
Next person to come is Samarjit Laha. Samarjit is also a member of our Suryalta band, or rather I would say. So, the next person to come is Mayur Deshmukh. Sir, Mayur is already, he's working as well as he's starting his new enterprise. He's in the hospitality business. Sunil Sharma. Priyanka Vishikar.
Yes, I know.
Pooja Shah. Next person, Pooja Shah. Many of them, they have come from long distance. Pooja also has come from Mumbai. And that is one of the reasons why we got slightly delayed. Diksha. Next person is Vivek Pandya. Next person to be ready is Megha Sharma. Megha has come from Kota all the way. We are really happy to see you, Megha. But you must remember what Dr. Chordia has told. The last sentence I remember, to give 1 hour daily for yourself, for your health. Next person to receive his honors is Viral Upadhyay. May I request Tridip also to be ready to receive his honors. Tridip Vishwas. Not yet. हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कि सबके गले का ताईत है या लाडला है, ऐसा हमारा इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट है फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान, he has come and he is Sohrab. And his wife is also here. Sohrab, you will have to afterwards say few words. May I request Sohrab, Mr. Sohrab, to accompany him because she is also a student of this college and standing behind him very firmly for his studies, for his... Mrs. Sohrab, please come. Yeah. First couple of PGDM. The first couple of PGDM we should say. And where is the little one today?
Where are you employed now? Here only or we are in Afghanistan?
Frequently I won't be seeing them again and again. But when I saw you here today, please believe me, it was Father's delight at heart to see you here once again. Thank you very much. Over to Shehnaz ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the fresh batch of our graduates 2012-2014. Heartiest congratulations. You've done us proud.
Thank you, ma'am.
Surya Datta will always remember. May I now request our two graduates, Sohrab and anybody else, to say a few words to us all. Sohrab, over to you.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
It feels wonderful to see everyone, each of you here today after such a long time. Many of my friends here only. I'm very sorry. I'm glad to see Dr. Chordia after such a long time too, because the work don't allow to come to college and meet everyone each and again, time and again. but it's an immense pleasure to be here again with my flowmates, with my dear ones, with my roommates, and it's again a wonderful time to be with each and every one of you, seeing all these faces in the same premise on these benches where we have done lots of fun. I'm being very emotional right now, and whatever we are right now, I admit it's all because of this place. It's all because of these wonderful faculty sitting in front of me, sitting here. Chodia sir, Sethia sir, ma'am, Chatterjee sir, Ghosh sir. On behalf of my fellow mates, we love you so much. We really love you a lot.
I'm very happy that today I'm in front of you sharing my some views, and I'm saying thanks to Choradia sir, to Sethia sir. First I met him, and that's why I came here, and especially Ghosh sir and Chatterjee sir, and we were calling Chatterjee sir as a Google sir because he came here. It is unrememberable times. I will not forget these moments because I am from other countries, so there are less times that we will meet again, but so this is a chance that we are seeing each other. So thanks a lot for such a opportunity that I am here in front of you and getting my degree. So thanks a lot. Also, I am dedicating my degree and maybe also for one of our friends, which is he is not here with us, Anurag Mohanty. So.
Thank you so much, Shilpi and Sora. That was really sweet of you both. Give them a big hand. Over to you, Professor.